Alright guys, welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to do some tacos because it is Tuesday and you know what that means. So we're gonna do some steak tacos and get this cooked up. This is gonna be a short video and I'm gonna bring you in, check out these ingredients. And I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. I've been getting a decent amount of them lately and that's awesome. I appreciate it. Make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. All right, so here's the ingredients. We got olive oil. We have yellow corn tortillas because that is all the store had. All the regular corn tortillas are gone. And we got some flour tortillas as well. I like to do 1 and 1. We got onion and cilantro. And we got, get out of here, fly. We got some steak. That's diced up sirloin that we're gonna throw on there. And then right here we got homemade creamy jalapeno sauce we're gonna put on the top of them. So yeah, some easy ingredients. I'll have everything in the description, including how I made this. And I'm sorry, no, my wife made this. And yeah, I'm gonna get the Blackstone fired up and we're gonna get this cooking. All right guys, let's get this cook started. I'm gonna throw some oil on over here. Now I got these 2 burners on high, I got these 2 on low, because this is where we're gonna cook our tortillas. So let's just switch that around. This is gonna be a quick cook, because this meat is diced up pretty good. Yep. This is gonna go fast, guys. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's a loud one, huh? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, see that? Yeah, look at this. This stuff's cooking up pretty quick. All right, just like so. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys back when this is all done. And yeah, we're gonna get these tortillas on and get it good. All right, so this meat is pretty much done, as you can see. Ooh, that looks amazing. All right, let's just get that. You know what? I'm gonna put all the meat over here. Yeah, I just did that because it's all warm over there and nothing's been on it. So let's get some oil going right here for the tortillas. I'm gonna kill that one, so these 3 are off now. Get us a paper towel here. Just get some oil over that. There we go. All right. And boom. Let's throw some tortillas on here. All right. Yeah, I wish they had the regular corn tortillas. So much better, but oh well, take what you can get. All right, cool. I'm gonna just let these things warm up and then I'll bring you guys back when I put one or a couple of them together and we're gonna try it. All right, so the wife surprised me with a little bit of rice, so I'm kind of pumped about that. All right, let's throw a little bit of this meat on there. That's a little much. All right, that's good. A little bit of this. Take that. All right, let's get a little onion. Just a little bit. Oh, that's a big bit. Break that up. A little cilantro. All right. There we go. Now let's throw some of this creamy jalapeno sauce on here. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna throw a picture of this in the right before I bite it, so you guys can see this thing up close, and it looks good. All right, so y'all saw that. This looks amazing. I'm gonna dive into this bad boy right here. Ooh. Mm. That steak is perfect. Very, very tender. The onion has a nice crunch to it. The cilantro, love cilantro. And the creaminess from that jalapeno sauce, that is good stuff. I'm definitely gonna put the recipe for that in the description because that was amazing. Let's give this rice a try. Get a little bite of that. That's good. What'd you do with this? How'd you do this, babe? No, she's shy. She doesn't want to be on camera. All right. Well, I'm gonna dish up and go eat my dinner, folks. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like what you see, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.